Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Make dinner with me. So on this night, my daughter was having one of her friends sleep over and requested the chopped green goddess salad that was viral several months ago. So that's what I decided to make. So here I'm kind of doing my take on the dressing, adding all of the usual suspects. So some lemon, some olive oil, some herbs, although I added dill and cilantro, and some chives, as well as shallots and some spinach, as you saw there, and some avocado. So just a bunch of flavor to this dressing. It ended up being so good. The garlic definitely too was enough, but you can always add more or less. And then some Parmesan cheese, which just added a little bit of nuttiness to the dressing. So I added probably, I eyeballed it, but probably about 1/4 cup of parm. And so this was after blending it, making sure it was smooth. And then I ended up doing probably 3/4 of a cabbage. And I will tell you that for 3 of us, it made way too much. So just keep that in mind. If it's just 2 or 3 people, maybe do half of a cabbage. If it's several, go for the whole cabbage. But it was our main meal and we still had way too much left over. So maybe half it and serve it with some salmon on the side or something like that. We had it as our main meal, served with blue corn tortilla chips. So it was a lot, but in the salad, I did the cabbage, green onion, and I chopped up some baby cucumbers, which just added a little something extra to the salad. Also could not find the knife that I typically would use, so we were working with what we had. I'll tell you guys, I cannot wait for my hubby to get home because he would have loved this and been able to help kind of eat some of this down. Don't worry at first. The dressing looks like it might not be enough and it's really thick, but the more you stir it, it is definitely enough. You could add a little bit more, but it ended up being enough. So like I said, this was our main meal, so I served this with some blue corn tortilla chips and it was delicious. Mm-hmm. Thank you guys so much for joining me for dinner, and I will see you later.